If your launcher is having this kind of problem, the string won't retract fully after launch, you need to watch this video. My friend, who is also a Beyblade seller, got this launcher back from his buyer, asking for it to be fixed. So I decided to help fix it and share the experience with you. This is also an excellent opportunity for me to include a detail that wasn't clarified in the last video. Back to this launcher first, the string seems to get stuck whether it's left spin or right spin. Okay, let's unscrew it and see what has gone wrong. Buyers often don't realize that Takara Tomy and many other toy manufacturers don't provide warranties, despite their products being pricey. Resellers like us are often in a difficult position when buyers receive defective products. But I'll do my best to help, whether by guiding them to fix it or having them send it back for repair, whichever works best. Not sure if you can see clearly. The string is entangled inside. Exactly the same problem I encountered with another B18 launcher, which I already have a very detailed video on how to fix. Today, I'll cover something I missed in that video to complete my tutorial. But before that, let me just take a closer look inside to confirm. Yup, the string is indeed tangled. This fix is straightforward, but some buyers will get angry with us sellers if we ask them to try to fix. But this is really easy to fix. It's not worth going through the hassle of sending it back and forth. Anyway, if you encounter the same problem, you may want to either follow along with what I'm doing now, or click the link above to watch my last video for more detailed steps. But what I'm going to demonstrate to you is, if you assembled the launcher the same way I'm doing it now, it is not good enough. Let me show you. But first, I'm going to need a stadium and some bays. Now do you see the problem? The string won't retract fully. Of course, you can still use the launcher, but it will be very annoying and potentially affect its performance. This happened because I missed out on one last step just now. So follow along as I fix the problem. In the previous video, some viewers asked about the size of the screwdriver I used. It is Phillips 00. So essentially, what you need to do now is to avoid dangling string by increasing the tension so that it will fully retract. To do that, you'll need the spin unit to be installed behind the core unit like this. Doing this, you've unlocked the mechanism. You can now wind the string to make it shorter as needed. But make sure you press the spin unit firmly onto the core unit in place and do not let go. Avoid overwinding. Achieve the desired tension typically with just a few turns. You're all set.